Boy, that scratching is making me itch.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Holly and this is my channel, and I'm so happy that you've joined me for an unboxing of Peace and Pages. Now I will say this is August box. I know I got a little behind, and I got behind. Plain and simple. But I'm doing it now. So let's see what's in this box. This box is $20.99 a month, and it is introducing Peace and Pages, a monthly delivery of a paperback book and unique relaxation items. So let's open this box and see what we have here. If I can get it open. It is, oh, well, it's a piece of cardboard on the top. We're gonna take that away. All right, so here is what it looks like when we open it up, and that's the contents, and this is a note for me. It is a coupon code for you guys. Okay, so first up is something. Oh, okay. It is from Hippie Heart Naturals. And this is from, right near me, Long Island, New York. That is from Hippie Heart Naturals in Long Island, New York. Let's smell this. That smells good. I like that. Nice, soothing soak for the bath. Love it, love it, love it. And then we have something called Goodnight Moon Spray, and this is from The Humble Life out of Caldwell, Texas. Alrighty, let's see here. Peace and Pages is, excuse me, okay, Goodnight Moon Spray. Oh, I don't know if I like that too much. It is very strong smell. Ingredients: distilled water, alcohol, essential oils, lavender, frankincense, and geranium. Life is stressful, but it doesn't have to be. That's why Goodnight Moon is a blend of essential oils purposely crafted to help your body and mind relax. Simply spray in the air around you or your pillow, blanket, or robe, your favorite evening chair, or even a hyperactive roommate. For best results, take 10 calm, deep breaths, and remember that none of us can add a single hour to our life by worrying. I like that saying. Very nice. I'm gonna try that because that's all I do is worry. And then we have, lavender lemonade mix. This was made from Norwood Lavender Farm out of Tualatin, Oregon. It is lemonade. I like it. I like it. I like that. I've been in the mood for some homemade lemonade, and ooh, I like that. And then I think these are so cute. Vintage library card memo pad this is made by Flypaper products out of Ann Arbor, Michigan, and that's what they look like. That's so cute. And they are not actual, they're hard, they look like library cards. That is so cute. Love it. So cute. Oh, that is so cute. I love that idea. Somebody borrows your book, you can write it down and they can bring you your book back. And speaking of books, we now have our book that was sent to me, and this is called The Wolves of Winter, a novel by Terrell Johnson. And that is my book. And it says, as the snow continues to fall, you think you're the only humans left, but you're wrong. Forget the old days, forget summer, forget warmth, forget anything that doesn't help you survive in the endless white wilderness beyond the edges of the fallen world. Lynn McBride has learned much since society collapsed in the face of the nuclear war and the relentless spread of disease. As the memories of her old life continue to haunt, she's been forced to forge ahead in the snow-drifted Canadian Yukon, learning how to hunt and trap and slaughter. But now her fragile existence is about to be shattered. A stunning debut, The Wolves of Winter remind us that when everything else is lost, there's still things to fight for. Very nice. I like shows and books about like the apocalyptic things. I'm a fan of The Walking Dead too, so I guess that if that tells you, that's what I mean. This is going to be a really nice read. So, and there's the author right there. I like that. Very nice book. Love it. I love this box. I'm going to put everything back in here so I can show it to you one more time. Hopefully I can show it to you one more time. I'm going to stand the stuff up. See if I can stand it up anyway. There we go. There we go. And there we go. I'll put that over there. All right. What? I made a mess. Okay. So there we are. That is my Piece and Pages box. And if you use the code HOLLY10, you can get 10% off your first box of, it's only $20.99 a month for this box, ladies. That is it. $20.99 a month. And if you use the code HOLLY10, you can get it for $18 for your first box. That's a good deal. So that's it, my friends. I will see you next time in my next video. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button because, well, because I would love to have you here on my channel. And I will see you next time in my next video. All right now, bye.
Well, that scratching is making me